Hello friend, this is from Conveyor Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make the test for the vacuum function of the new finished 5 liters model lab scale kneader mixer. And now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. This is a top load situation. Before the vacuum, we must guarantee the 4 bones fastened on the 4 corners, and we can see 2 valves, one connected with a vacuum pump via the pipe. We must keep this valve open, and this is a vacuum release valve. We keep this closed, and this is a vacuum meter. Okay, now I test it. Release the emergency stop button and start the vacuum pump. Okay, now we can hear the voice. Let's keep an eye on the vacuum meter. Now we can see the vacuum degree is increasing. Now the mixer chamber, or we can see the vessel is empty. Once filled with some material, the speed will be quicker. Even now it is quick. We can hear the voice. This is the voice of the vacuum pump on the back side. Let's be patient for this because it needs some time. Now it has reached the 0.09 degree. And now above it, it is nearly reached the designed degree. Let's wait a while. Okay, now it is reached the aimed designed degree. So for the vacuum function, it is no problem. Also, it is the problem of the sealant seal situation for the whole mixer. Okay, now I stop the vacuum pump and close this valve and check the vacuum degree. It is no change. So this is a good work, I think. And then I release the vacuum. While this valve is. So this is a simple test for the vacuum function of the new finished 5 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for US client used in ceramic slurry mixing industry. Thanks for watching.